Hello and welcome to the Konar Cooks. Today we are going to make two delicious recipes using one humble vegetable, Lauki, also known as bottle gourd. The first one is a very popular Bengali dish known as chingri, and the other one is a Bengali condiment that is usually consumed with dal and rice. Now let's get started. First, take a Lauki, peel it carefully and set the peels aside. Don't throw them away, they are the star of our second dish. Once you're done with Lauki, take a potato, peel it and keep the peels aside, then chop it into small cubes. Now take a kadhai, heat mustard oil in it, and when it starts to smoke lightly, that's when you know it's ready. Add a tempering of hing, jeera, kalonji, tej patta and dried red chili. Followed by the chopped potatoes. Now add in some finely chopped ginger, followed by a slurry made of all the dry masala and water. Cook it well for a while and then add in the diced Lauki. Mix everything together, cover it and let it cook on medium heat. The Lauki will release its own water, so stir occasionally and cook until everything is soft and well combined. If you eat non-veg, this is the perfect time to add the lightly fried prawns or choto chingri for the beautiful seafood aroma. If you are vegetarian, you can skip this step. Garnish with freshly chopped dhania patta, and just like that, your first dish is absolutely ready. Now we are serving it with some piping hot triangle parathas. You can have it with roti, rice or whatever you like. Now for the second recipe, take the reserved peels of Lauki and potato. Wash them thoroughly and finely chop it. After that, take a pan and add the peels to it. Add some salt and turmeric powder to it and a little bit of water. Cover and cook till it turns a little bit tender. You can see the peels are around 80% cooked. Now in another pan, add some mustard oil and a tempering of hing, dried red chili, jeera, and then add in the peels that we prepared earlier. Now fry it all together, and then in the middle of the pan, add some poppy seeds. The poppy seeds to add a very nutty and rich flavor to this condiment. Mix it all well together. Add on some dried red chili flakes. Aloo khosha bhaja is absolutely ready to eat. Serve it hot with some dal and rice. Trust me, you're going to love this recipe. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed these two recipes, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Konar Cooks.